A well-known fact is that mechanical keyboards offer excellent durability and more customization than standard keyboards. However, are mechanical keyboards better than standard keyboards? In this video, I will guide you through everything you need to know about mechanical keyboards and show you the best mechanical keyboard for gaming. To find out more information and updated price of the products we have mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Like this video, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates. Without further delay, let's get started with the list. At number 5 on our list is the MSI Vigor GK71. The MSI Vigor GK71 is one of the most excellent gaming keyboards on the market, with an option for both Cherry MX blue or red switches and options for Kale brown or green switches. It has full-size keys, a wrist rest, and a removable palm rest. It also has RGB backlighting, but connecting a gaming mouse is optional. It does not include a number pad, but that shouldn't matter to most gamers. The keys feel crisp and responsive, and although they don't offer the same tactile feedback that mechanical gaming keyboards do, the typing experience is still great for gaming. The keyboard is easy to set up and doesn't require a software driver. It turns on with a press of a physical button and off with another. The HHAB style layout is very comfortable, and the settings are easy to adjust using the keyboard's light. If you're looking to replace or upgrade an old gaming keyboard, the MSI Vigor GK71 is an excellent choice. The Vigor GK71 looks and feels more expensive than it is. It's a fantastic input device for gaming, and thanks to its custom tactile buttons, it will even satisfy other gamers looking for a better typing experience. The Vigor GK71 is a premium gaming keyboard that rivals most high-end mechanical keyboards. Up next in 4th place is the Glorious Gaming. The Glorious Gaming Mechanical Keyboard GK Pro Series is a sleek, sophisticated keyboard designed for ambidextrous, left-handed, and right-handers. The sturdy case features well-spaced switches, a braided USB-C cable, and LED backlighting. The GK Pro Series is designed for gamers and enthusiasts, but it would also be a good fit for an office, classroom, or home. The keyboard uses Kale mechanical Cherry MX switches with 8.8mm throw distances. The GK Pro Series offers full swappable switches, 6 in total, and you can also change the LED backlighting, which can also be programmed. The GK Pro Series includes 6 feet braided USB cable, DPI adjustment dial, and removable steel plates. The GK Pro Series is a dark black keyboard with bright LEDs, and the switches feel smooth, quiet, and linear. The GK Pro Series has a 3.7mm travel distance and a 75% TTL layout. Gaming enthusiasts will love the GK Pro Series, but the common consumer will also find this to be a great option for quiet, tactile typing at home, school, or in the office. Glorious Gaming specializes in creating unique mechanical keyboards for gamers, and this keyboard is no exception. At number 3, we have SteelSeries Apex Pro. If you value mechanical keyboards, the SteelSeries Apex Pro is a versatile, feature-rich option that combines some of the best features of mechanical keyboards with the benefits of a membrane keyboard. The key switches adjust for actuation distance, so there is a wide range of customization. The keyboard features a solid aluminum frame, aviation-grade aluminum keycaps, and a high-quality wrist rest. It also has an OLED screen for monitoring information and adjusting settings on the fly. The operating mechanism is well built, but it's also important that the key switches are fast and responsive. The Apex Pro performed very well in our tests, with the fastest key travel to any mechanical keyboard. The switches felt snappy, and the fast response allows you to cycle through different keys quickly and efficiently. The Apex Pro also did well in our typing tests, achieving 105 words per minute, which is faster than any other keyboard we've tested, and well ahead of the membrane keyboard in our comparison. Apart from its mechanical switches, the Apex Pro does an excellent job of replicating the feel of a membrane keyboard with quiet, smooth keystroke feedback. SteelSeries dedicated itself for years to making gaming-specific peripherals, which shows in the Apex Pro mechanical keyboard. At number 2 on our list is the KLUDGE RK61. The RK61 from KLUDGE is a mechanical keyboard that is perfect if you are looking for a compact keyboard without sacrificing quality. It feels excellent, and the switches are incredibly responsive without sacrificing tactile feedback. It has USB connectivity, which works with Windows, macOS, and Android, in addition to being compatible with Windows 8, Windows 10, and macOS Sierra, and is USB powered, so it will work even if your computer's battery is dead. The RK61 is wired, not wireless. Thus, it benefits from having the added benefit of keeping you more connected to your desktop. It also comes with a wrist rest, a nice touch, and it's one of the few wired keyboards with an adjustable angle. The RK61 lacks media controls and backlighting options, and it's smaller than the others we tested, but it's still an excellent keyboard, especially for its low price. Once set up, it's very quiet and compact, and it's built to last with high-quality switches that won't wear out. The KLUDGE RK61 is a well-built, compact mechanical keyboard that I loved and proved itself with a spectacular performance. The RGB backlighting is very smooth and customizable, and you can set the backlighting color for each key individually. However, the RK61's stock lighting isn't perhaps as bright as the competition's, so you may need to crank up the luminance level if you want to enjoy your lighting. And finally, the number 1 on our list is the KINESIS Gaming. The KINESIS Gaming Freestyle Edge RGB mechanical keyboard is the best keyboard we've ever tested. It has all the features of an expensive gaming keyboard, with a compact footprint that makes it ideal for gamers with smaller gaming rigs. It's built like a tank and feels as good as it looks. The switches are excellent, especially for the price. They're linear, low-force switches, so they don't feel like mush, and you don't feel like you need to press them extra hard to get a keystroke to register. The keys are spaced perfectly and suit just about every style of typing. The palm rests are comfortable, and the build quality is top-notch. It features RGB lighting that can be modulated for specific effects like wave and spectrum. The light can also be turned off, which is useful when typing. It has some seriously convenient key remapping and other programmable options, including a deep set of macros for gaming. It also has a USB pass-through port that charges devices and allows a second keyboard to be plugged in, making it perfect for 2-player games, or you can plug a wired mouse into the keyboard's USB port. You also get a braided USB cable. The Freestyle Edge's pleather palm support pads are more durable and comfortable than our previous pick, and the palm rests can be flipped up to extend their lifespan. The Freestyle Edge is the best and comes in 2 colors, black and gunmetal. You will find all the links of these products in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates.